Imagine losing your sight, and yet seeing the hidden patterns of the universe more clearly than anyone before you. This is the story of Leonhard Euler, the 18th century genius who revolutionized mathematics, physics, and astronomy after he went blind. How did a man without vision unlock secrets of light, motion, and even the orbits of planets? Let's journey into the mind of Euler, the mathematician who turned darkness into brilliance.
Mega History Presents.
Born in 1707 in Basel, Switzerland, Leonhard Euler was destined for numbers. By age 13, he devoured university-level math. By 16, he'd earned a master's degree. But his true calling came when he joined the Russian Academy of Sciences in St. Petersburg. There, Euler's mind became a human supercomputer. He calculated the motion of the moon, designed ship sails for the Russian Navy, and even mapped the complexities of fluid dynamics. But Euler's greatest challenge wasn't an equation. It was his own body. In 1738, a fever nearly killed him and left him permanently blind in one eye. Most would slow down. Not Euler. With one eye, he published over 800 papers in his lifetime, averaging one groundbreaking discovery every 2 weeks. But fate wasn't done with him. In 1766, disaster struck. A failed cataract surgery robbed Euler of sight in his remaining eye, total darkness. For a man who lived in equations, this should have been the end. Colleagues wept, students mourned, yet Euler? He simply said, "Now I'll have fewer distractions." What happened next defies belief. Blind and 59 years old, Euler accelerated. With a photographic memory and a team of scribes, he dictated formulas so advanced they'd shape modern engineering. He reimagined optics, explaining how lenses bend light without ever seeing it. He solved the three-body problem, predicting the gravitational dance of the sun, moon, and earth, all from the void of blindness. How? Euler's secret? He didn't see numbers, he felt them. To him, mathematics was music, a symphony of logic played in the theater of his mind. Euler's blindness became his superpower. Free from visual distractions, he honed his mental math to godlike levels. He'd calculate complex integrals in his head, then recite them verbatim for hours. His 1770 textbook, Algebra, was dictated entirely from memory. But his piece de resistance? Euler's identity, EA plus 1 equals 0. This single equation unites 5 fundamental constants, 0, 1, E, pi, and. I in a harmony so perfect, mathematicians call it divine. Today, Euler's work powers your world. His formulas guide spacecraft, encrypt your texts, and even predict the stock market. All because a blind man dared to think deeper. Euler died in 1783, mid-calculation. His final words: "I am dying. No poetry, just Euler, forever the logician." But his legacy burns brighter than ever. Over 800 papers, 30-plus textbooks. Concepts like Euler's number E and Eulerian paths are etched into STEM's D and above. And he did it all while blind for 17 years. Euler's story isn't just about math. It's about vision, the kind that transcends eyes. When darkness took his sight, he lit a fire with his mind. And in that fire, he found the secrets of the cosmos. So the next time you use Wi-Fi, drive over a bridge, or stare at the stars, remember Euler, the blind mathematician who saw further than anyone by closing his eyes. If this story inspired you, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know. What's your excuse? Thanks for watching, and stay curious.